it just sucks, you know. Not just Copart got this. Pretty much every auction got this, but I'm going to name it reserve price. Reserve price. Reserve off. Have you ever been bidding on Copart and it said reserve off? Like that's the little announcement that it gives you when the reserve is off. You know what I mean? What is a reserve? A reserve is a price for the car, that the minimum price that they wanted to, the minimum price that the car had to get to in order for them to sell it, right? So if the minimum price is $2,000 and the bid is at 1,800, it ain't gonna be like reserve off. But as soon as it hit 2,000, reserve off. Now that means okay, they'll sell it after it reached 2,000. You know what I mean? It reached 2,000. It reached their minimum bid. Now they are getting ready to sell it. So I don't like that the auction has a reserve price. Now, like I told y'all, most auctions have this, so I'm still gonna name it though because it's one thing I don't like, but I'm still gonna name it in this video. Is the reserve price, bro? Just because you win a car for $5,000, that does not mean they're going to accept your bid for $5,000. They may counter bid you. They might be like 5,500 or 6,000. They might be like 6,000. And then you can stay at your 5,000, be like, nah, I'm gonna stay and see what they do, if they gonna sell it to you or not. Or you could raise it to like 5,500, 5,200. Hey, let me try to give them $200 extra, see if they'll take it. Sometimes they will take it, you know what I'm saying? But they gonna take what you give them too. If you go ahead and accept that 6,000, they gonna go ahead and sell it to you, right? So that's the first thing. All right. Number two is no video on the website. So if you're looking at a car on the Copart website, there is no video. So matter of fact, we can actually go to Copart right now. Let me make myself smaller here. So I'm on Copart right now. Let's just go to let's just go to something real quick. We're gonna go to the first car we see. So as you can see, you see videos, not videos, you see pictures, but you don't see a video. Now, if you go to a website like IAA, right? We go to IAA right here. We can look at auctions. Let's look at buy now. We can look at some buy now prices right here. Let's look at the Silverado. If you go down, what do they got? They got a 360 view, right? They got a 360 view around the car. Showed you that little dent right there. And then, we done missed my car. Where's our car at? There it is. Not only do they got the 360 view, they got the video. I didn't even mean for that to happen, but do y'all hear that? The motor is knocking. Well, the motor do got, let me see, 247,000 miles on it, but still, like at Copart, there is no video option. You would have never known that at Copart, bro. How much did they want for this? 5,800. Look at this. 5,800, right? But you would have never even known that being on the Copart website. For you, so for you guys who like to buy sight unseen, that would be wouldn't be a good look for you guys. You know what I'm saying? You can end up with a limit quick. You know what I mean? That motor is knocking. Shout out to IAA for having the video, right? So that's the second thing, no video. Third thing is that you can't drive at Copart. You cannot drive the vehicles at Copart. No, you cannot. You cannot drive the vehicles at Copart, which sucks, man. But not really. I'm not gonna lie, because I done pretty much mastered Copart and IAA. If y'all don't know, that is where I buy my cars from the most. And you know, I can teach you guys how to do it too. I can teach you guys how to get your license. Excuse me, how to get your license. Dang, I'm burping all over the place. How to get your license the easiest and the fastest way, right? Join my monthly membership at just $1 a day, $30 a month, guys. You get access to my VIP Discord. You're gonna get a video every single week. What I'm buying, why I'm buying it, why I'm not buying it. I got the all the information on how to get your license without a lot, office space, no matter your credit history, criminal history, doesn't matter. I got the information for you guys in the course, all right? But in that course, I literally have everything in you. Like, there's no reason why you should be failing if you got my course, bro. Everything. I got the easiest way for you to get your license. I got the easiest way. All my tips and tricks, everything is in the course, all right? Everything, all right? So that's why I pretty much done mastered, not having a license, guys. So, I mean, not having a license, not needing to drive the car. You know what I mean? I don't really need to drive the car anymore, all right? So, yep, check it out, man. You know what I mean? Monthly membership, just $30 a month, all right? So, let's go ahead and get into the fourth thing. Now, back to you can't drive. Just because you can't drive, that doesn't mean, I've mastered this. So, it's a lot of auctions that you can't drive, but, it's cool. I don't mind not driving. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, because I really done mastered this, right? The fourth thing is no seller shown. If y'all don't know, it does matter who is the seller of the car. Yes, it does. So we can go back to Copart here, and do you see the seller of the car? Now in person, right? They may have the seller right here on the sticker here, but you can't see that. You know what I mean? We can't see that if we're not in person. So, do you see seller? Transmission, repair, no seller. So it's not telling you who's the seller of the car. That matters, right? That matters. And I'm going to explain more to why that matters in the academy. Let's see if it shows you on the insurance auto auction. Okay, seller is here. Let me move it up. Seller is here, but they are not selling. The seller is blank, right? It's blank. But let's go to another car. Let's see if we can find it on another car. Okay, that one's blank as well. IAA usually shows you who's the seller of the car. Unless I gotta log into my account. What's going on here? Unless these are all freaking dealer cars. Let's go to... Hold on, because you should be able to see the seller on these cars. Hold on. Let's just put something in. Let's put in BMW real quick. Let's go. You know what I'm noticing? There we go. Oh, I gotta log in. Oh, y'all can't see it. Hold on. I gotta log in. But, IA usually tell you who the seller of the car is. Copart, they're not telling you they're not telling you whether you log in or not, right? So that's what I don't like. I don't like that Copart doesn't show you who is the seller of the car. And the fourth thing is everything is pretty much sold as is at Copart, right? As is, there's no warranty, anything like that. If you buy it and you get it outside and then you crank, put it like this. Let's just say you went to go see a car on a Monday, you cranked it up and everything. It was good, right? Next day, Tuesday, the auction sale is. Tuesday, you buy it, you go get it the same Tuesday, and later, and the motors are knocking. You're not getting no money back. There's no warranty, nothing. You just are stuck like Chuck. You are literally stuck like Chuck, bro. So that is the 5 things that I do not like about Copart, that I hate about Copart. But it's all good because, again, in my academy, man, I know exactly what I'm doing. You can use these skills and these techniques in any auction, public auction, dealer auction, anything. I'm just going to Copart and IAA right now because that is my little niche. You don't have to do what I do. Again, I gotta wait for you to get your auction access, your license without any hassle, bro. Link in the description below, whdacademy.com. I appreciate you guys for tuning in and rocking with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. WHD Academy.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.